Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you want to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using, let's just say, the settings for this. So that's what I'm going to open. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get a little bit of a sound along with this animation. Now the first time around this will stay here so you can see what options we have. So you can, number one, capture a scrollable screenshot. That is one of the reasons why I opened up settings. And you can also send it once you capture your image. Now going back to the scrollable screenshot, if you choose to do the scrollable one, it will replace the one that we have just captured that is visible right here. So let's click on it. As you can see, it starts scrolling down slowly. You can tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling down, and you can also do it yourself manually. Once you have gone however far down you want, you can select Done. It will process the image, select Allow so it can actually save it on our storage, and that's it. The screenshot has been now captured. And that screenshot can be found in our gallery application. It's right over here. And as you can see, I only have one image, the one that I have literally just captured, so it's going to be in screenshots as well. And there it is. As you can see, it is longer than you'd normally have. If you make this basically full screen, there we go, we can see that it is longer. So anyway, that is how you could capture a screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.